Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Friday, May 2nd. So, what's going on today? Well, we had some 8:30 numbers came out. Average hourly earnings month over month were less than expected, but the non-farm employment change was way better than expected, 177K versus 138K. Unemployment rate stayed the same at 4.2% as expected. And at 10 a.m., we have factory orders month over month. So the market really liked that employment number. We'll show that in a second. So we are on our potentially ninth day to the upside. This is not unprecedented, but fairly rare that you have 9 days to the upside. It's certainly plausible. Remember, the market loves threes, fives, sevens, and 12s. So the next one would be a 12, which would be several more days to the upside if that pattern shows itself. We also have a ascending triangle here, as well as a breakout of this little uh, bullish, flaggish kind of pattern consolidation band. We've moved out of it. However, all of this move has been on declining volume. I'm not sure we're out of the woods yet, but market is somehow discounting the negatives and only looking at the positives. So I can't explain that or understand it. And again, this is a great example of trade what you see, not what you think. You've seen me say that many, many times, and that's because when I get an overwhelming bias to one side or the other, usually that means I'm losing money because you become bullheaded and refuse to do what you see, not what you think. Moving on, looking at the over inventory. Inventory is kind of interesting here. You have positive price action, but inventory was barely positive. So, again, this looks like the smart money getting out towards the top of this move. We'll have to wait and see. You can see here we have positive price movement in the overnight session, but the inventory is actually negative. So a little bit of discombobulation going on here. Overnight action, approximately 79 points. So again, volatility is very high. Is what it is. Where do we have resistance? 5,700 is what everybody's watching. Are we going to break 5,700? There's a level at 5,706. There is 5726. I like this area. 5752, 5780-ish, just below that. 5800 looks really like resistance. Support, on the other hand, we've got some confluence at 5586-ish. 5561. There's some decent area. 5517, of course, 5500. Those are your brackets for support and resistance for today. Stock Traders Almanac is 52.4, 52.4%, slight positive bias for today, which is Friday, May 2nd. Hope you have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.